The first method in order to upload a complete OpenFOAM case on the CloudHPC is just to enter the case of OpenFOAM, the folder with all your OpenFOAM files, and create a zip files of all the OpenFOAM dictionaries. Just make sure that all these files are inside of the compressed archive you have generated without the presence of any nested folder. So you can now drag and drop this file on the CloudHPC, and remember to add a name of the directory in here under folder name. The second method in order to upload a OpenFOAM case into our CloudHPC is again to go into the OpenFOAM dictionary, move one step up, so go to the folder that contains everything and create a zip file of this particular folder. Once you have generated this folder, you can actually enter it and verify that inside of it you have the folder of your case, and inside of which you can find all the OpenFOAM files. Well, you can now upload this particular folder on the CloudHPC, leaving blank this dir name parameter.